We've got the latest trash from Amazon. Let's see what this is. Yeah, it says that. And according to the instructions, es ist einfach zu installieren. Let's find the English side. Let's follow the flags. Flags. This one has no flag. Why would it have a flag? It's too much to ask. Okay. So let's see how this dream is supposed to work in size 6 font. Okay. 1. Clean the window frame and window before installation. Put Velcro tape on the window frame with the window closed so you can locate the best place to stick it where it won't get in the way of opening and closing. The Velcro tape on the window itself with the window closed so you won't get, okay, the same bracket. Make sure what the wide A side of fabric, this is garbage. Okay, what else? There's an installation video. Okay, we'll laugh at it later. How to choose the right size for your window. I hope she chose the right size. I don't know, whatever she did, it's all on her. For inward window, for other inward window, A plus B plus C plus D equals, wow, there's math to be done, okay. And that's for choosing the right size for your window. So I hope she did all that math there or there. And then there is a worm tip. There's a worm tip. Okay, wow, worm tips are freely dispensed here. I don't know how I'm gonna get over this. Not suitable for sliding windows below. This one slides up and down. This one slides left, right. And this, if this one is a sliding window, I am Santa Claus. That's horrendous enough. Should we laugh at the German installation here? I don't imagine it's any better. It's got the same typos just for extra space. Just, yeah, done with the same carelessness. But the warm tip is just Hinweise. So far, so good. Well, what's that? What's half in English in the German text? Window type before purchasing. Window type, that's not German, that's garbage. Wow. Okay, so that's thoroughly trash. Yeah, space missing in front of then. Extra space in front of Stellen. I don't think this passes any kind of scrutiny for punctuation. Here is Italian. Wow, the link is exactly the same in all languages. 21AE6WN, 2LAE6WN. No, it's 21AE. This is 2LAE, 2LAE6WN. Wow, apparently they can't print installation link correctly. How about this one? That's 21AE. Wow. This one, 2LAE, I guess French and Italian installation video is different from English, Spanish, and German. Brilliant. Okay, enough of this nonsense. Instead of trying to make sense of the instructions, let's make sense of the materials that we have. AC in splendid good condition. They included some zap straps, brilliant. Some Velcro self-adhesive, just leave it there. And some mystery fabricy thing. Okay, so this is where the AC hose is gonna connect to. And then we've got here a long shape that is tapering. And then it's got two halves, and then they meet at the port hole. So this is supposed to somehow do something, and she needs to be happy with it, and it should look beautiful, ideally with daisies and flowers tied to it. So I connected this thing to the AC hose, and then this one goes one way, this one goes the other way, and it's supposed to close an opening that's this shape. Tapering, yes, and then has an even width, and then tapering again. This is supposed to go both ways. This length of material here to cover something there, and then do whatever with the rest. And then this length of material to do something with that side, and have a bit of a return here on this side. Okay, Hausfrau, let's visualize this one. So where do you want this exhaust port to be?
Right here.
At that height?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any height.
Any height? Not any height.
It can be here. Actually, here's easier, maybe.
Supported by the corner?
Yeah.
It's gonna be pulling the fabric, yeah. It makes sense, supported by the corner. Okay. It already has Velcro stitched to both edges. Okay, we just have to deal with this side. And well, it has to have enough room for the handle. So I hope there is enough length in the material to go from, I don't know, from the inside here all the way around to here, so the window can be closed and opened. So the AC will connect here, and this edge is gonna go there, sticking nicely all the way up. All right, I've got the Velcro taped to the inside here. Now it says pull it all out and find the midpoint and cut it in half, so you have equal lengths both for one edge of the material and the other edge of the material. Yeah, that looks good on paper. Let's not do it. All right, we're finding the middle of the tape now. It's going all the way back. Yeah, this is why you don't want to cut your tape exactly in half, because now you have two offcuts, a useful length and a little useless length. Stupid instructions. All right, that aside, I put the tape around the window on the inside of the room and on the inside of the room, but on the window frame. Okay, so that's gonna be the outboard half. This is gonna be the inboard half. It's everywhere. Didn't want to make it too tight in the corners, and it runs up. It's white tape on white window. Yeah, okay, all the way everywhere. Now people, work with the materials that you have, okay? Support the weight of the hose by the corner, yes. Don't just end up with it here because it's Tuesday. So I'm gonna start in the corner here. Now this thing is taped to the inside of the outboard half of the window. Do you get the vision how this is gonna work? Yeah. So like I said, plan ahead, because that's exactly how she got pregnant in the first place. Now we're here. It looks good this way, you can pull it out, but it's gonna look really prolly at the end, because now you have to bunch it up and fold it up like so. It's gonna be looking like this, slacker than a wizard sleeve. So the porthole is in place, because you can reach the window handle should you want to disconnect the thing for the winter, I don't know. But one other thing, just before you start sticking it on kinda, almost not really wherever, but hey, this looks good on paper, yeah, until you don't have enough length in it to reach to the corner. So start in the corner, make sure you have enough for the long side where the window is open at. Yeah, so I just velcroed it along the long side, holding one hand one corner, other hand other corner, just like so. That way I have enough length of material. Lengthwise, this handle is gonna be just always open. That's fine. There, I can reach the handle here. There, close the window. Test your window. Make sure it opens all the way, and it's got enough material to span the gap. enough material down here in this corner. Nice. And such is the geometry of mitered corners, that you have a puckering length of material here, because otherwise it's not gonna lie flat over here. Even so, this is looking like the gypsy end of the village, because they dry clothes in open air. Okay. And other than that, I try to make it as taut and flat as possible so it doesn't look total ghetto, even though it is. And she thinks this is an improvement over what we had before. Yeah, let's go with that. So now it's obvious why they included this number here. You have 380 centimeters of this Velcro, and that's your window's perimeter. But printing the word perimeter anywhere is probably too much to ask from the average human who reads these instructions. And then zip window seal and start to enjoy your air conditioner. Yeah, thank you very much. The AC's been on operation for years with a different system. We're trying this travesty now. Oh, excusez-moi. It says stick or tuck the excess material at the ends to make it look neat. Okay, no need for ghetto. We can just tuck it in. Of course, it's gonna fold like the other corner folds, you know, with the excess material, whatever. This can be stitched or clipped or whatever with office clippy, because it is affecting. It's gonna blow the hot air back into the room through that, so that's no go. There, office clippy. There, office clippy. There. Yes, the perimeter along the inside is shorter than the perimeter along the outside. Yes, these folds are unavoidable because the material cannot be mitered. Wow, all that glue residue. Now I have to clean this with lacquer thinner, my favorite stinking part. Disgusting. Yeah, so right after she tastefully arranged the window dressings here, I want to point out that this material has a zero insulating value in terms of refrigeration and cooling theory. Okay, you need to have a warm side and you need to have a cold side, and you need to have the two kept separate, insulated away. This is just about equivalent to anointing the dead. So finally, let's have a laugh at this website. 21AE6WN typed in there. And of course, there is something's wrong here. As expected, standard performance. Let's try this 2L variant. L goes right in there. Of course, nothing. Yep, neither of them works. Standard procedure. Yeah, threshed thoroughly.